Continuing on to transcription settings, you control what happens in cases where your transcriptionist is unable to determine what is being said with 100% confidence using flag settings. If the default standard flag setting is used, editors will surround best guesses of unknown words with brackets and question marks if they're not certain of what is being said. Flags can be reduced if the information that would have otherwise been flagged is included in a cheat sheet. By cross-referencing that information, editors will save you potential post-production work. It's important to note, inaudible tags are different and represent truly impossible to hear audio. Though inaudibles occur in both standard and clean flag settings, and you'll have the opportunity to edit both inaudibles and flagged words, the downside of clean is that even best guesses will be inserted as verbatim spoken words, so you won't have the option to edit them.